Just took me a few seconds to decide that I want to do this course. In terms of content and cost, this is the mother of all courses, abundant in content and very low in cost. And the returns from this course are right from the first class itself. All other classes are bonus. So it starts right from there.
Ever since I became a mother, I wanted to start it right for my kid. And I think I hit a gold mine. I'm seeing some changes in my parents. They're going and taking a sunbath upstairs. And my husband is not ordering food from outside. So a lovely course. Thank you.
You have added so much of the value to everyone's life. And through us, it would be flowed to our family and friends and the society. That is the base part of this course. Yes. We will not forget this. It is a lifetime education. We have taken many education during whole life, but this was the best one.
I had a lot of questions about, I'm not able to do it correctly. Am I instead harming my health, by not doing it correctly? So a lot of those questions, like you said, will get answered by the end of the course. They have actually got answered. And I'm very grateful that I attended this course. I'm very happy for it. And it's filled those gaps of knowledge for me.
Dr. Gauri, what you have taught me and rest of the folks in the course is something that I wouldn't have learned even if I read 10 or 100 books.
The best thing what I liked about this course is it's designed so beautifully because it starts with Panchabhutas. So everything like healings, nutrition, everything is covered. And in the end, like how you have covered the mind part also. So I guess how to take this forward. So sustainability of anything is always important.
So it was like learning a new language through which I'll be able to share all the wisdom to people who are inclined to science and who are doctors.